Here we have another exciting part about orbits. So again, remember we've got the two foci or foci for the orbit, but one of them is empty and the other one has the sun, which we see here. So there are two important kind of points in Earth's orbit. This one over here is called the perihelion. I want to erase that and write it a little bit neater. Oh, I might just type it. That sounds like a good idea. So this is perihelion. And this is the point in the orbit where it's the closest to the star. And then we have another point in Earth's orbit. This is called aphelion. And this is what it's furthest from the star. And it's not that far of a difference. Like, I think it's maybe 1% or less. But it is different and it does have some interesting features. Like we get slightly more energy from the sun when we're closer to it. But interestingly enough, that's not during the summer because the seasons are caused by Earth's tilt. So looking at where the sun is, I'm going to shade in the kind of dark half of the Earth on both the perihelion and the aphelion. I'm not pleased with this one. There we go. So at the perihelion here, the dark part is kind of in green, is kind of creeping into the northern hemisphere. There's less sun in the northern hemisphere. This is winter. And then this one has more sun in the northern hemisphere, so this is summer. And all things in space go counterclockwise, so we go like this around. So that makes this fall or autumn, and this is spring. So as we go around from winter through spring to summer, the days get longer. And then from summer to fall to winter, the days get shorter. Let's take a look down here again. So this is this one, this is this one, and then these down here are both spring and fall. So here we have the dark side of the Earth, just lines up, it's equal northern and southern hemisphere. If I draw the equator in there, it's equal. If I draw the equator in these guys, in summer, we've zoomed in, we can see it a little bit better. There's way more sunlight up here in the northern hemisphere, so it's summer. And in this one, we have way less sunlight in the northern hemisphere, so it's winter. The seasons, of course, are reversed in the southern hemisphere, as you can see. They get the opposite. When it's summer here, it's winter there. Excellent.